Alright, so what I'm going to show you next here is how to kind of put in a null section so that nothing happens in a particular area. So like in here, this area here, it looks like it's maybe a bridge, and I don't want it to calculate, any fill within that area. So what I can do, if I look down here, let's see, there's some other areas as well. Maybe here, it looks like it's on the grade. So it looks like we're pretty good all the way through here. This one maybe, okay, same thing here. Yeah, so we'll just use this one as an example right in here. Is we want to kind of stop this. So what you can do is you can come into basically into the corridor depending on where you're at. So if I'm already in editing, I can come over anytime over here, and I can right click and I can insert a corridor template. I can also do that here. Just right click and insert corridor template. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell it where I want to start that. So if I basically pick maybe this spot right here, that picks up that station. That definition is just going to be null. And when I pick on null, I'll insert that. And you'll see that it's going to stop the corridor from running down the rest of the road. So what I need to do, and you can see here, is it's got surface and it's got null. So what I can do is insert one more. So if I came in here and said insert, corridor template, again I could tell it where I want to pick up. So maybe, this area in here is where I want to pick it up. I can either do a new definition and add another template for the surface, or I can simply use a reference definition of the surface, insert that, and then that's going to apply that surface through the rest of the corridor. Okay. So that's how you add the null and break it up. You see there's kind of a gap in here. So if I was to go to this section here, you'll see there's nothing there, but it is showing the lines of the bridge. But there is data there, and there is data here.